yun na. Where are we?
It's a playground again.
Yes. Hi, baby Rox. Christmas is in the air here, guys. You're not careful, huh? There's a big Christmas tree in here. No shouting, you know. Katong food park nila to adito. Tapad ra gyud sa playground. Sayang lang kay ang slide nga favorite sa mga bata kay naguba. No, ilisanan daw. Gapoy ng papa. Hi! Say bye, guys. Say bye, bye. Wow, more kuno. Uy, more. Yun na, careful ha. Ulo, uy, kalingon. Swing na lang kay naguba man ang slide. Bye.